Hello there. In this video, we'll learn about how organizers can create a social webinar event from the dashboard. So let's get started. Log in into your Airmeet account, click on Create Event button, select the social webinar format from here, enter the event name, give it a start date, start time, end time, and that will be displayed on the landing page. Click on Change to select your time zone and region. After selecting your time zone, we can go to Event Entry Rule. You can see that the by default Event Entry Rule is already selected. You can click on Change and select the Event Entry Rule that will allow your attendee to enter the event. You can make those changes and click on Save. In the Additional Information section, write an overview of the event for your attendees to read. You can enter the organization name here that will be displayed on the landing page. Here you can enter the organizer's email address so that attendees can contact them if they have any questions. After making these changes, click on Create Event. The Summary tab is the first tab you can see after creating the event, and you can add sessions and even speakers from here directly. Once you click on the View landing page, you can see how the landing page will look after you have filled in all the details. You can click on Edit option to change or update the event details, and after changing the details, click on Save. You can also find the event status that is upcoming for this event, time duration, configuration for event registration, pre and post event activities as well. Now, moving to the Schedule tab, you can click on Add an Activity option and select an activity type from here, which includes session, speed networking, break, pre-recorded session, or stream into Airmeet. After selecting the activity type, click on Save option. Now, we can move to Speakers and Host. In this section, click on Add Speaker option and fill in all the details from here. After filling all the details, click on Save option. After saving these changes, click on Send Invites to Speaker, which includes their unique invitation link. In the pre-recorded video section, click on Upload a Video button to upload a pre-recorded video and select the video from your computer. After selecting the video, you can upload it. You can also upload a video from the video library at the community level and save the video from here. Now we'll move to session recordings. Once the session is marked completed, you can find the session recordings on this tab. You can download or copy the recording link from here. You can also share the video from here. Now we'll move to the registration tab, wherein you can view the registration data and download the list of all the participants by going into the participant list. Now we'll move to the registration form, and you can change the event entry rules by clicking on Edit option from here. After changing the event entry, you can click on Save option. You can also click on Change to customize the registration form from here. After making these changes, you can click on Save option. Now we'll move to Ticketing option, wherein you can create tickets that participants can purchase during event registration. Now moving to the Branding tab, wherein you can add branding to the different event sections to improve the overall experience. Add your own brand logo, landing page banner, and sponsor logo as well by clicking on Upload Logo. That will be displayed on the event landing page to increase your brand engagement. You can also upload the social lounge banner, which will be displayed in the lounge section by clicking on Upload Banner from here itself. Now we'll see the Stage Backdrop tab. Click on Upload Backdrop Image and select the file from your computer. After selecting the file, click on Preview Backdrop and save it from here itself to improve the live stage experience. You can also click on Download Guidelines, follow the same to create the stage backdrop. Now moving to the Promotion tab, click on Email Communications. You can customize the default email templates sent to the participants at different stages of the event from here. You can also create a new email by clicking on New Email option and send it to different stakeholders of the event, for example, speakers, attendees, or exhibitors. Once we go to promote on Airmeet option, click on send request option and your event will be showcased on different search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Generate additional registrations, click on send request option from here and we can feature your event on the Airmeet webpage. Social sharing options will be available on the event landing page so that we can share the event on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Once we go into the social sharing tab, we can enable or disable the social sharing option displayed on the landing page by clicking on here. Now we'll move to the Analytics tab, which includes the event attendance details, event engagement, and a lot more. Then we'll go to the Users tab, which assists you in understanding the users who are attending your event and determining whether they fit certain criteria or not. The filtered users can be downloaded or grouped as a section for easy reference. Now we can see Segments section. Segments are a list of users in your event who meet certain criteria. This section is where you can see and download your previously saved segments. Click on New Segment option to create a new segment and select various filters and parameters from here. After selecting the parameters, you can click on Apply. We can see the registration section wherein we can analyze responses from registration and get detailed summaries of individual participants. Moving to the Settings tab, click on Event Experience. Session recordings are enabled by default here. You can also switch off recordings for individual session before starting a session in the live event. Now comes pre and post event, wherein you can manage when your attendees can have an access to your event via providing access by enabling the event replay after the event is marked ended. Now we can see live stream option wherein we can live stream our live session to Facebook and YouTube along with third party platforms via RTM. Click on add stream destination and either select from previously connected destination or click on add new to select a new destination. Now we can see stream into Airmeet option. Stream session from outside of Airmeet using a third party streaming software. Enable universal key from here and then copy and paste it to your third party broadcasting software. Now we have integration option. We can enable event level integration from the extensive integration library. Once the platform connection is done from the community dashboard, you will be able to enable the integration at the event level. Now we have attendee profiling. We can configure and manage the interest tag. We can select the tags from here and save it. And attendees can choose it during the live event. Please keep a note here that the interest tag cannot be configured once the event is marked open or early access is being enabled at least once. In the miscellaneous section, as you're currently on the new event dashboard, but you have an option to switch back to the old dashboard if you feel so. We also have an option to share the event on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or WhatsApp. We can also copy the link from here and share it. Now we have an option called as Enter Event. Once we click on Enter Event option, we can preview the event and set up our lounge and sessions before starting the event. Now we can click on three colons, which enables to open the event and let your attendees to enter and begin communicating with each other. I hope this helps. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.